Hello and welcome back to Azure Terraformer. Today I'm looking at OpenAI pricing just to see what the difference is between Azure OpenAI and OpenAI. So let's go look at it. So on the left I've got the Azure OpenAI service pricing, and on the right I have OpenAI pricing. Let's just drop down here and let's look at some of the language models. So we got ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo, 1,000 tokens. Cost you two tenths of a cent, which is the same price on Azure. And ChatGPT or GPT-4, 8K context, prompts, 3 cents for 1,000, 6 cents, 6 and 432, 6 cents and 12 cents. So it's basically the same price for both ChatGPT 3.5 Turbo and ChatGPT 4. Let's look at some of these others. Per 1,000 tokens, same. So all of these are pretty much the same. So why would you ever go with Azure OpenAI? Well, number one, Azure OpenAI supports the Azure platform in the sense that you can get private networking. When I provision my OpenAI instance, I just got access to the private preview. You have the option of connecting it to VNet and using private endpoints to connect that endpoint to an Azure virtual network. Doesn't exist on the actual OpenAI. So in that, you're going over the internet to talk to their endpoint. Of course, you're going to use HTTPS to communicate with it, but there's no option for private networking. The second feature, which has, I still have to delve into the applications for this, is the ability to create user-assigned and system-assigned identities for the OpenAI service on Azure. So usually the system-assigned identities, user-assigned identities are a way to enable Azure services to talk to each other and to authorize that communication so that a service can do certain things. Right off the bat, it seems to me like that would be for OpenAI. It seems like you're going to be doing a lot of pulling data, getting data, saving data somewhere. Particularly image data with DALL-E, you may need a place to drop those images. So you could have base 64 encoded text in request payloads, or you could provide it with a storage account and just say, hey, drop the images in this location, right? Or if you're doing really large text processing, that would also be a bit more convenient than just having it on the actual request response payload. And maybe even there would be options to use other Azure data stores to drop these payloads once they're done. So those are just two use cases right off the bat where I think it makes sense and really adds value having OpenAI connected to a cloud platform like Azure. So what do you think? What would you use Azure AI? Or would you use the OpenAI version? Are there reasons that I'm missing? Because the prices are pretty much the same. So let me know in the comments below, and please give a like to this video. More to come on OpenAI. I'm going to keep looking at the service and learn more about it. More to come. Let me know what use cases you think I should use with the OpenAI service in the comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and let's continue on this journey. Cheers.